So most of you are asking about the Global Hack Week, how to complete the challenges and how we'll be getting the swags. So this video is perfectly for you, and if you want to know how to register in this event, you can check out this video in the description box and complete the challenges. Now coming over here directly, first thing you have to simply click on register and register with your Gmail ID or email ID, whatever you want to use. And then here you have to come to the challenges. Now there are multiple challenges, no code challenges. If you don't know coding, there is simple task. You have to attach the screenshot and share to them. So it's very simple task they have mentioned, and everyone will be getting the swags. Okay, so here you can see first task is check-in. So you have to simply open it, and simply you have to just register and check in over there. It will ask your basic details in the region, how to fill this. All things I have already covered in the registration video. You can watch it. Okay, now coming to the next thing, this is the address form. So when you open it, it will ask you your address, because whatever swags will be given to you, it needs to be delivered to a particular address. So you need to fill the address form. Now coming to the third challenges. Okay, so this is a challenge, and this is a challenge, and this is also a challenge. So here what challenge you can easily complete, let me just show you. Okay, so sign up for a Snowflake account. So you can simply open it. Let me just do it. Now from here you have to simply open it. Okay, I clicked on this URL. Now here you have to simply enter your details and sign in over here, means sign up over here. And let me just show you how to complete it. Once added all these details, click on continue and just select your region. It's Asia Pacific. Okay, let it be default only. There's not an issue. Now you can just use your cloud platform, because we use GCP, so you can use this also. Company name and job is optional, so just click on get started. I have checked the conversation, means I've read all the terms and conditions. Oh, it's asking for company. You can write your college name and mention your role as a student. So this is a very basic. Just click on I don't have a skip, and it's just setting our account. Now it has sent us an email for verification. You can check your mailbox, and then you have to simply click on the URL. Now sometimes the mail comes in spam section, so you need to check it out and simply click on activate. After that, it will ask for username and password. So let me just enter a password. Okay, let me just enter it, and after that simply click on get started. Now just click on skip for now, and this is our dashboard. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to simply take the screenshot of this, just download it, and simply come over here to the challenge, submit your project, and here paste the URL link. So actually there is no URL over here, so we need to attach the screenshot. So the image which we have just now taken, we have to upload it. Once uploaded, you need to just click on submit project. If you want, you can just add a description over there. So we completed the first challenge. Okay, if you want to view the summation, you can view also and correct it also. Now coming over here to the next challenge,